if I would like to turn it over to you two now in terms of what could a graduate expect in terms of their role and possible jobs after graduation?
I think we've seen an explosion in healthcare with respect to clinical ethics consultation services. So I think one of the main roles, but not the only role or profession that this PhD in nursing ethics degree would prepare our students for, would be to take up leadership positions in clinical ethics consultation services, to be important voices on hospital ethics committees, and to be able to engage other clinicians, families, lawyers, and anybody who really is a stakeholder in healthcare with respect to quality improvements of care and the ethical questions that inevitably arise in healthcare provision. So that's one area that I think is very ripe. And because we're sort of at the vanguard at Duquesne with our PhD in nursing ethics program, it's really the first of its kind, particularly given the collaboration we have with the Center for Healthcare Ethics. Our PhD graduates will be well prepared to enter into these clinical environments and make major contribution to creating moral spaces in institutions, clinics, and hospitals.
Yeah, I also envision nurses who are graduates of this program assuming leadership roles in hospitals, perhaps a path towards chief nursing officer of a hospital. I think that a degree in ethics is extremely attractive to many organizations. In addition, there's a path to a faculty role through this PhD program. Nursing ethics, as Michael mentioned, is a burgeoning field, and there's going to be a lot of opportunities for research in this field in particular. Bioethics has been around for a while, but nursing ethics is really kind of coming into its own, and this is something that I think a lot of nursing schools are going to be attracted to. Duquesne is, like Michael mentioned, at the vanguard, at the forefront of inculcating nursing ethics as a major area of research and teaching within its school. I don't think Duquesne is going to be the last. I think there's going to be many more universities that follow in our footsteps in that regard. And I think that a PhD in nursing ethics is going to be a unique and a uniquely attractive degree for those types of schools who are interested in really having a strong ethics presence in their schools.
I agree, and I'm thinking about even if a graduate of the program will follow up in their career in a more traditional academic setting, I think it's an advantage that they will be prepared in many forms of inquiry. That could actually be to their advantage, so that they would be able to work collaboratively with other nurses and other healthcare professionals who are doing qualitative or quantitative or mixed methods research, but also normative.